Welcome back, or welcome if you're new here on today. Thanks for stopping by the Priceless Pearl Life here on the Johnson Ranch for today's video. It's my fall clean and decorate with me for our family room. Just keep watching and see how it turns out. If you're new here, I would like to introduce myself to you. My name is Katrina. I'm a sister, a daughter, a servant, and a pastor. And this is my lifestyle channel. I share my love of home decor, cooking, baking, vlogs, shopping hauls, a little singing now and then, and of course, it's basketball season. So I'm talking Tar Heel basketball. If these are things that interest you, go ahead and become a part of my growing YouTube family. So thanks for stopping by the Johnson Ranch today for this short clean and decorate with me. But make sure to leave me a thumbs up and leave a comment below, because you know that's how my channel it grows. To all of my loyal subscribers, welcome back, and one big hug from me to you. Thank you so much for coming back week after week to support me here on the channel. And if you're new here, I said don't be a stranger. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. Videos are posted on Tuesdays and Fridays, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a few more sprinkle in between for your viewing pleasure. And until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video.